Hey guys, it's me, and I made a flower crown, this one. So I am going to be showing you a bit and telling you how to make it. So, the first thing that I did, and also yes, I know it is spooky music in the background, and it's not officially October, but I don't care. It's in 2 days. So, the first thing that I did is took 2 pieces of this floral wire, because it just comes out in like pieces like that. I don't know if you can't really see it, but I took 2 of those pieces and kind of measured it around my head and twisted them together. And then after I did that, I took this floral tape and I wrapped it about halfway around, just to where I thought I wanted the flowers to about end. It helps it helps the flowers stick better to the floral wire when there's already floral wire on the wire, if that makes sense. So then after that, you're going to take your flower and place it along the floral wire that you placed, and then wrap it around so that way it sticks around it. But you have to leave some of the stem so that way, because there's like stem under this part, so that way it's all like this. I don't know how I put so many flowers right there, but I like it. But then you basically just keep doing that over and over until you get what you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And here's the TikTok of me making it.